What's up, guys? It's been a fucking minute. It's been a minute. It's probably been like 6, 7 months, 5 months. I don't know. It was really cold last time I posted. A few things have changed. Sold a couple cars, bought a couple cars. Haven't filmed any of it. I've been busy. Shitty excuse, but it's true. I'm basically just gonna talk about what I got going right now and like what my future projects are. I'm gonna try and revive this channel a little bit. I want to start frequently posting more. God, no, I look like shit. I want to start posting more again. I finally got my cars to a good place for content, and yeah, so this video I'm just gonna be going over my new cars, show you a couple things, a couple plans for current cars you've seen, things like that. But yeah, as you can see, my shop looks a little different. Got some seats in there. Just cleaned it up real good. Very similar to last time you saw it, though. There's my old 4-cylinder engine from the truck. Got my Grom in here still. Y'all haven't seen a lot on this, but it ain't going nowhere. I love this thing. I drive it weekly at least. Let's see. I still have the 91 Miata. I don't think y'all saw it with wheels. I put these wheels on the other day. These were on my little brother's lifted Miata. I got them from him. Haven't really did much this thing at all. Just drove it. Let it sit in my garage because these motherfuckers have doubled, tripled in value last year. So I'm not complaining on that. Pretty clean little Miata. Still runs and drives fine. Starts right up. Yeah, I probably won't talk too much about this thing today. Plans with this, basically, I'm just going to keep it for a little bit probably. Hannah, my girlfriend, really likes it. I'll taught her to dry stick in it. Probably keep it for a minute. I might sell it eventually, but I like it. I like it right now, so we're going to leave it. Looks pretty clean. But yeah, you probably noticed the truck is no longer in the shop. That's because it's right behind me. I think this is the first time y'all have seen this truck, not on jack stands. Yeah, so I got the, so yeah, it's looking pretty fucking slick. Got the truck looking nice. This is the first time y'all seen it not on jack stands, I'm pretty sure. So, exciting. I've been driving it around the last couple, like, weeks, really. Yeah. 5-speed, of course. The hood latch is fucked up, right? Oh. So this is the hood latch is a little bit fucked up right now. So this is how I have to pop the hood. This truck will get hood latches pretty soon, since I do plan on dedicating this thing to track. Yes, I got the swap done, 5.0 swapped, 99 B2500. Starts and runs just fine. I think it has a clogged injector or something, because it just isn't running like it should. Like, it runs good. Like, see, it looks like it starts right up. Starts up. Sounds pretty damn good, in my opinion. Runs fine. It just under load. It just doesn't have that oomph like it should. Running rich as fuck, getting lean codes and all that. See, it's misfiring right now a little bit. I don't know. But yeah, it'll be getting worked on. I'm probably gonna order some injectors this week. I'll show you all that when I get them in. Do an install on that. Pretty damn excited. This thing is my. Love this motherfucker. If you're wondering, the Magnum is gone. Sold it. I really liked it, but it wasn't exactly my style. I actually sold it to a friend of mine, so I'm sure we'll see it again on the channel. It's actually the same guy that did the bodywork on my S197 Drift Mustang I bought and never drifted, just fucking quick released it. But I sold it to buy something different as a daily, and I'll just reveal that real quick. I think it's more geared towards my target audience and like really what I like more of. I'm not a big American muscle guy like that Magnum was. Like, I like the big V8. Obviously, got a V8 in that motherfucker right there. But yeah, like, so I'll just reveal what I bought. Basic as fuck. Every YouTuber does it.
Metro Boomin want some more, nigga. Young Savage, why you trapping so hard? Why do you nigga capping so hard? Why you got a 12-car garage? Why you pulling out the
2003 350Z with the DE engine on SSRs, powder coated, highlighter green, pretty clean, not bad at all. Some mods done to it, has some springs on it, 6-speed of course. Right now, it used to be orange as you could tell, but whatever. Right now it has a weird thing like where like if you shift over 3,000 RPMs, it wants to fucking grind. So I think my pilot bearing's out. The reason I think that is because I bought this car for my little brother. He bought it with a blown engine, and the last guy said he fucking had to do it twice because he broke the pilot bearing. And I think that's what happened again. Pretty clean engine. It says built by on it. My little brother bought it with fuck, they broke a few of these motherfuckers. Dumbasses. No, but yeah, he bought it with a blown engine. Came with the engine, swapped this engine into it. Seems like it runs fine. Runs really good actually, just the transmission needs a little work. But I'll be playing with that pretty soon. Yeah, just kind of on the back burner. I like this thing, but it's kind of just a 350Z. I like it. Nothing special. Has some mods to it. Cold air intake. Some kind of oil cooler. I'm not even G Plus, I guess. I don't know what brand that is. Got an oil cooler. Has a oil pan spacer, so it has extra quart of oil in it, which I need to check. Throttle body, valve cover spacer, whatever that is, some kind of spacer. Runs good, pretty much. That's about it. It has a knock in the rear end right now. I'm not really sure what's up with that. I'm gonna get that fixed. Looked into it. Might be my drive shaft. I'm not really sure. It might be a U-joint. Who fucking knows? I'm not even 100% sure I'm gonna keep this thing. Like, I like it. Has lots of good mods to it. 370Z brakes. Anything else? Lowered. It's just a good daily. I just bought it more to get into JDM. Something more I'm into. This thing's manual, little sports car, sportier. I might sell it. I might not. I'm gonna fix the transmission and see how I feel about it. I might just wide body it and just drive the fuck out of it. I really like it. Cool car. But yeah, we're about to get to the focus of today's video. My newest, most favorite car I've bought. It's a little bit different than what y'all are used to on this channel. Since it's not just like a car I'm gonna slam to the fucking ground. But I think it's gonna be a lot funner. It's more of a fun build. That fucking neighbor dog. Shut the fuck. They suck. What the fuck is that thing? Alright, so big reveal time. Dude, that thing wouldn't stop making noise. So this is the newest addition to my channel. A little bit different than what I usually fuck with, but I really like it. Alright, I think y'all will too. Ready for it? Alright, I got a 1996 Geo Tracker. 4-wheel drive. Auto. Shocker. But yeah. Got this cool ass purple seat. It's got a back seat with it, of course. I was a little ghetto with it, and just cut a hole in the back to replace the fuel pump. Fix that. Back seats are cool. But yeah, it's all there. Here is the biggest problem with it. All this mutilation. As you can see, that's the worst of it right there. Pretty rough, but the frame is straight. Amazingly, the door like just shuts fucking perfect. I don't know how, but this is it. 4-wheel drive. This thing was sitting in my aunt's yard for 5 years. She finally let me get it, and I got it running in 2 hours. Straight up 2 hours. And honestly, for sitting for as long as it did, starts up fine, shifts decently fine, and is extremely fun. But yeah, I just been whipping the fuck out of it. Woo! Pull up next to this little slammed vehicles. I'm gonna grab a GoPro battery because this one's about dead. And then we're gonna head out to my mom's house to get something real quick. I'll take y'all along because it has to do with that little beast right there. But yeah, I'm just gonna kind of talk real quick about this thing. So it's a 1996 Geo Tracker, or a Suzuki Sidekick. This one's a Geo. It's a 1.6 liter, 4-cylinder, of course. Slow as shit. Three-speed automatic. That's loose. I fucking full drive. I fucking love the motherfucker, ain't gonna lie. Runs like a dream for sitting in a yard for 5 years. Really. All I did was put a new fuel pump in it, which I was told that's what was wrong with it, but Yo, good boy. Yeah. What's up, dude? How you doing, brother? How you doing, brother? You a good boy? You a good boy? But yeah, the reason why we are at my mom's house right now is that we have 2 more trackers. This is one from high school. I had my little brother cut the doors off. The absolute goober. Love him though. But this is the reason why we're here, to get this grill right here. It's in pretty good condition, a little bit crackly, so we're gonna be careful with it, but nothing I can't fix. Actually, there's a few cracks. It's kind of disheartening, but that's okay. Cool thing about these things is that, like, cool and the bad thing is that everything's held on by Phillips screws, which I don't really understand. Okay, that's not one, I guess. So there's this one. There's this one. I think. Well, I thought it was easy to get to, but I might be wrong. Maybe if I pop the hood. And I stripped this out. Excellent. Immediately stripped it out. Cool. I'm going to stop doing that now. Well, maybe I'll come back to this a different day. Damn it. Well. This is the other one. Not really nearly as clean as mine, but not bad. I'll probably take that steering wheel. That's probably about it from this thing. I like these wheels. Probably won't get them, but I kind of like them. Probably gonna get this to a side skirt and this door molding. Damn. This one, this body is a little bit cleaner than mine, so I'm kind of wondering if I should just take this body. Let me know what y'all think. Should I grab the body off this thing? It looks like it'd be really easy to grab and just do all the work too. I'm not sure yet. Probably the video for right now. Just a quick, welcome back video for me. Excited to start this next chapter of my channel. And I hope you all will be there right with me. But yeah, tune in for next time. For Binky Run. Like, comment, subscribe for Binky. Thank you. Alright, y'all. Y'all take it easy. I'll see y'all next time. Like, comment, subscribe for more JDM adventures. Alright, guys. Y'all take it easy.